Thought I would do a quick review of another Instapot. This is my friend's Instapot, which is shiny and red. He's had it a few months and of course loves it, like we all love our Instapot. So let's go ahead and zoom in on the buttons. This is an IP-LUX Instapot and I believe it's 8 quarts. I'll leave a link in the description bar below, but it's got similar buttons with an addition here and there. The difference I find is the cord is not detachable, which I actually prefer. And the venting has 3. It has venting, sealing, and venting. So you can turn this either direction using a safe utensil because it gets very hot. And then this is the little safety stopper that goes up and down when it is sealed. And then it's got this. It opens up. And your Instapot with the same max fill line as all the Instapots have, and it came with a couple of accessories as well. Like all Instapots, this has a silicone sealing ring which is removable that you need to wash in between uses, and then it's got the steam valve, which is that little mesh thing right there that you can also take off and wash because sometimes food particles get into it. The only thing I don't like about this version is there is no place on the side to set this lid like some of the other ones have. So you have a hot, kind of awkward large lid to always set down. So all in all, it works great. I've done canning with it at his house and we've cooked stews and eggs and all sorts of things. So definitely if you're new to Instapots and you have a red kitchen like some people do, this is a great addition.